Alright, today I'm going to be showing you how to drill a hole in tile. So I have this special bit here and this little thing that it came with, this little kit, right? It comes with these little double-sided foam tape things. Basically, you figure out where your hole's got to go, stick this thing on the back, set it right on there where you want it, and then fill this with water, because you need water to cut this better, and start cutting. And this, you put it in a drill. Okay, put that right there. I'm just going to line it up with my marks here. That's on there pretty good. You see the marks in there? Put a little water in there. And here we go. There's a little piece of tile right here. Okay, I just got to get a pry bar to pull that off. Unless it'll come off. I don't know. Oh, yeah, there we go. There you go. Now you have a perfect hole. Okay, now that I've got the hole cut, just slide it in. Perfect. So that's it. It's that easy. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you're interested in more how-to videos, please subscribe to the channel. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I'll see you in the next video.